As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So we're comparing the Weber Q1200 and the Weber Summit S-470 grills, right? Both propane, but they seem worlds apart.
Totally. The Q1200 is this portable little thing, and the Summit S-470 is like a full-blown outdoor kitchen. Let's dive into the specs. The Q1200 has a single burner kicking out 8,500 BTU, heating up 189 square inches of cooking space.
Okay, compact. Good for tailgating. What about the Summit?
Hold on to your hat. The Summit S-470 boasts 4 stainless steel burners, pushing out 48,800 BTU. Plus, a side burner, a sear station burner, a smoker burner, and a rear-mounted infrared rotisserie burner, and a total cooking area of 580 square inches. It's intense.
Wow, that's a huge difference. So the Q1200 is more for portability and quick grilling. The Summit is for serious grilling enthusiasts.
Exactly. Think burgers and dogs versus smoking ribs and rotisserie chicken. The Q1200 uses those small, disposable propane cylinders. The Summit needs a standard 20-pound tank.
Makes sense. What about materials?
The Q1200 has porcelain enameled cast iron grates and a cast aluminum lid and body. The Summit S-470 is decked out in stainless steel, including the cooking grates and flavorizer bars. It just feels a lot more premium.
Yeah, stainless steel is a plus for durability, I guess. What about features besides the extra burners?
The Q1200 has an electronic ignition, folding side tables, and a built-in thermometer. Simple and effective. The Summit S-470 has everything. Lighted control knobs, a grill-out handle light, tool hooks, and even a LED tank scale on LP models.
Seems like the Summit S-470 has all the bells and whistles, but with that comes a huge price difference, I assume?
Massive. The Q1200 is around $259. The Summit S-470, closer to $2,300. It is an investment.
Okay, so it really boils down to needs and budget. A quick portable grill versus a full outdoor cooking experience. Got it.
Precisely.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.